Hope you're able to dodge the spotty storms we had earlier and enjoy just the really unseasonably warm temperatures we've had. 83 degrees today, 3 degrees shy of a record, and sunset isn't until about 7:40 now and just continues to get later and later. 98% of us are dry, but if you squint just east of the Caryville area, east of I-75, there is one singular lightning bolt with that tiny, I guess we can call it a storm there. We could see an isolated shower or storm pop up north, closer towards the Kentucky border, but I think most, if not everybody's on the dry side. 70 right now in Knoxville to Maryville, 73, balmy in McMinn, Monroe counties here at 11:18, 66 in Wartburg, 68 in Oneida and Jamestown. We only drop into the upper 50s to even close to 60. Maryville, Tulsa, Plains, 57 in Morristown. So here's what I'm tracking. Tomorrow, another very above average day. In fact, close to record. My forecast would be about 3 or 4 degrees from that record tomorrow, which is 87. Tomorrow night, very weak cold front moves through. It looks more like sprinkles or drizzle as opposed to what we saw tonight. Doesn't look strong or severe by any means. And then mild temperatures, seasonable temperatures, however you want to call it. Breezy tomorrow, low to mid 80s, 85 Tulsa Plains, 83 in Alcoa, Knoxville, 82 Jefferson City, 85 all the way up in southeast Kentucky, which means phenomenal for any sort of outdoor activities. Maybe go up to the Smokies, run, hike, bike, anything like that. Maybe grill out. Again, only negative I would say to tomorrow. The downfall is about 15 to 25 mile an hour gusts out of the south, but it should be mainly sunny until sundown and in the, again, the low to mid 80s. With all that warmth and moisture, there is a severe weather risk, but not for East Tennessee. It's just to our friends in the north, including Lexington up into Cincinnati and Charleston. But this is the weak cold front I'm talking about that will impact us overnight tomorrow night. So mainly sunny. This is 2 a.m. Monday morning, so very late. That's when we really start to see those clouds increase. That's about it. Not anything to write home about. Very tough to even make out any sort of blues, but that's why I think it's mainly just a sprinkles or drizzle event, especially over the peaks of the Smokies and maybe up in Harlan County and Lee County. Can't rule it out just about anywhere, but that's about it. Very, very minimal accumulations. Not very impactful because it's going to be pretty much when everyone's asleep, and then getting up for Monday should be a mainly dry one. Starting out a little bit chilly, and we really don't warm up all that much, but this is about where we should be for the last week of March. Low 70s, McMinn, Monroe counties, lower 60s up closer towards the Kentucky border. Pretty similar for your Tuesday, mid to upper 60s, starting to rebound a little bit, close to 70 in Tulsa, Plains, 67 in Gatlinburg. Behind this front, it's going to be extremely dry air, so we probably are on the sunnier side for the rest of your Monday into Tuesday. But notice what happens as we go into taking this Wednesday evening into Thursday morning as well as Thursday afternoon. Thursday at 1 o'clock here, we've gone from extremely dry air through the entire levels of the atmosphere. It's more of that moderate starting to even creep up into that high. So that tells me we have plenty of moisture in the air, and it looks like by about Friday or so, Friday evening, we will have at least another weak front come through. But overall, it looks like a very nice 7-day stretch once again. Should not be expecting any sort of strong to severe storms for the next at least several days. We'll have to watch Friday, but look how warm we are by Thursday and Friday. So cool, Ella, but this is about where we should be for this time of year. And then we're right back up to 10 to 15 degrees above average.
It's crazy to see 80s in the forecast after